Yo, so here I am coming up the Lookout Pass. There's a lot of elk running about. I heard of them earlier that I managed to miss, luckily. And these were big old boys. So the pass is still open, not chaining up, which is a good thing. It's better to start dumping at 6:30, a shitload more snow. It's only, it's nearly 5 o'clock now. I've got 14 minutes and I've got to have a break. Good, I didn't check it when I earlier stopped. I should have had 30 minutes, but I didn't. So hopefully I'll get to the top of this pass. And what's going on with him up there? Oh man, really? You alright there, bud? What the fuck is going on? Where's he going? I think he's just spun out. You alright there, westbound? You just spun out? I'm not really sure what's going on with matey here, but I think he's just spun out and then come back on, but whatever, I want his lane. Yeah, he's got snow all over the front. He's just, I think he's just spun off. I can't see why, because the road's pretty clear to be fair. That's pretty clear to me. Obviously wasn't to him, unless he was messing about or doing something. But so I'm going to have to stop at the top of the pass, which is a bummer. Or I might get down. I don't want to stop in the chain area at the bottom. We'll see, it's like a wee toboggan track. But the road is clear and I've gone past the chain up area, so I ain't going to be chaining up here. Well, as you can see, there'll be no point anyway, we're still on tarmac. Which is always nice. This is my major big one to get, well, not this one and whatever you want to call it. That's the other big one, which is not going to be very good further on, I don't think. If I get over this, I've got 4th of July, which is a little bit smaller of a pass, which, if it is chain up, I'd probably only do my drive axle and one drag axle, one of my trailers. It's not too bad coming down and what have you, so we'll see when we get there. I've got enough time to clear those two, and then I'm going to meet Richard. He's about 70 miles on. He's the other northern lad who works for us, English lad, so I'm going to meet him and we're going out for dinner. He's already in the truck stop down at Port Falls, is it? Port Falls, something I think, in Idaho, which is my next state on, which I'll be passing the state line any minute when I get to the top of this hill. Look at the height of the snow that they had. This is a serious amount of snow they get here. You can see the height on top of the wall in the middle. Nice and big lot of snow going on there. And more to come. It's a winter thing. Thank fuck, not an all-year thing. But they do a good job. Look at this, how nice this is, this road. Fancy smashing your truck up off the side on a clear bit of road. That was a bit dumb. Oh, let's look. And out to Montana. I've only got 384 miles to go until I get down to Seattle, where I'm unloading on until Wednesday morning. Would it be nice to get it up tomorrow, but ain't gonna happen. It's Costco again, so I'll be on Wednesday lunchtime, something like that. Get some new batteries on, have a day or so at home, and then out again. Do it all again. I'm running about 35 ton, I think, so I'm not too bad. Ideal to run in the snow, not too heavy, not too light. Which is always nice. to have to pull in at the top. I've only got 9 minutes, so I'm going to have to stop and have a 30-minute break. Which is annoying, because I'm only about an hour away from where Richard is to go up to dinner, but it's, like I say, it's only 5 o'clock. We'll be out, we'll be in the Mexican by 7 or 8, something like that. Good time. This weather doesn't change, which I can't see. I'm down at -7. It ain't going to snow at this temperature. Touch wood. That's at Skokomi, which I can get round to go home if I want going into Seattle. Stevens Pass, that is shut down until further notice apparently, so that's not the best. If this had been snowed up, if it had been chaining up, I wouldn't have bothered today. I would have stayed at the bottom of the hill. I'd have stayed, there's a scale at the bottom, I'd have stayed on there and worried about it in the morning. To be fair, there's no point in chaining up really if you've got plenty of time, you know what I mean? Not this time of night. See, they don't salt this because a lot of bridges here. I think that's a lot of the reason as well. A lot of bridges and the lakes, they don't like to, the rivers, they don't like to put the damage, bad for the fish. Obviously lots of salt going in, and plus it's bad for the bridges, rots the bridges. He's going to pull in here or smashed his truck. Didn't look as though it got out or anything. It just, I think it happened just in front of me. Hit the barrier of snow and then carried on. I could be going nosy if he comes in. Right, again, now it's -7. I'm going to have a cup of tea and there you go. It's like a toboggan track, isn't it? Look at that. So there I go, I'm on the recap thing. See that? Let's do that. And puts us, oh, that's bright, isn't it? Off duty, save. That'll work for, and then there was light. So I'm going to make a cup of tea. I've got some popcorn left that I did earlier, which is pretty good. And then hopefully we'll meet up with Richard and I shouldn't have to chain up, I'm hoping. We shall see, it'll be what it'll be. So we'll catch you all later. Here's the update, see you later, bye bye.